Amazing gadgets actually worth buying. The world of gadgets is constantly evolving, bringing us smarter, more innovative devices that make our everyday lives easier and more exciting. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply someone who enjoys adding a bit of convenience to your routine, there are gadgets out there that are truly worth the investment. These devices not only offer practical solutions but also introduce new possibilities for fun and functionality. From smart home solutions to portable innovations, each of these gadgets promises to enhance your life in ways you might not have expected. Plantone 2.0. The Plantone 2.0 is a smart gadget designed to take care of your plants, ensuring they get the right amount of light, water, and nutrients, even if you don't have a green thumb. This device connects to your plant's pot and monitors its condition, sending you real-time updates on your plant's health. With sensors that track soil moisture, temperature, and sunlight, it gives you detailed insights on how to care for your plants better. If you're someone who loves having plants around but struggles to keep them alive, the Plantone 2.0 will be your new best friend. It's like having a personal plant caretaker in your pocket. Flying Fisheye. The Flying Fisheye is a next-level water sports gadget that lets you soar above the water with the power of hydrofoiling. This electric hydrofoil board is designed for thrill seekers and water sports enthusiasts who want to experience the sensation of flying over the water. The Flying Fisheye uses a battery-powered motor to propel you across the surface, with a hydrofoil underneath the board that lifts you out of the water, giving you the feeling of gliding through the air. It's perfect for both experienced riders and beginners, as it offers adjustable speed settings to suit your skill level. Lifebuoy Bee Cone. Safety on the water is a major concern, and the Lifebuoy Bee Cone is here to address that by combining high-tech materials with essential life-saving functions. This compact, cone-shaped device is designed to be easily thrown to someone in distress in the water, providing them with a buoyant flotation device that can keep them afloat until help arrives. Unlike traditional lifebuoys, the Bee Cone is much more compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and transport, ensuring that you have it on hand whenever you need it. What sets the Lifebuoy Bee Cone apart is its simple yet highly effective design. Vabroom 2-in-1. If you're tired of dealing with dust and dirt from your car or home in hard-to-reach places, the Vabroom 2-in-1 is a gadget that will quickly become indispensable. This handheld vacuum and dustpan combo is designed to help you clean up messes easily without having to use a traditional dustpan and broom. The Vabroom is equipped with a vacuum on one side, so when you sweep debris into the dustpan, it immediately sucks it up, keeping everything tidy and eliminating the need for manual sweeping. Its compact and sleek design makes it easy to use in tight spaces, and its lightweight build means you can clean for hours without straining your arm. Lock-in Smart Lock Box L1. The Lock-in Smart Lock Box L1 is an excellent solution for anyone who needs to securely store a spare key or other valuables but doesn't want to carry around a traditional lock and key. This smart lock box is controlled via a smartphone app, allowing you to lock and unlock it remotely with just a few taps. It's perfect for homeowners who want to provide access to their home for trusted visitors, service people, or Airbnb guests without needing to hide a key under the doormat. The lock-in box can store keys, cards, or small valuables safely, while the added convenience of remote access makes it ideal for busy individuals. In addition to its smart capabilities, the Lock-in Smart Lock Box L1 is also built with durability in mind. It's designed to withstand the elements, making it suitable for outdoor use. Kava Light Play. The Kava Light Play is a modular lighting system that adds a whole new level of customization to your home or office lighting. This smart lighting gadget allows you to create stunning light displays with its flexible, customizable panels that can change colors and be arranged into any shape you desire. Whether you want to set the mood for a relaxing evening or create a vibrant, energetic atmosphere for a party, Kava Light Play has you covered. The panels are connected to an app that gives you complete control over the color, brightness, and effects of the lights, allowing for a truly personalized lighting experience. What makes Kava Light Play stand out is its versatility and creativity. The modular design means you can expand your lighting setup at any time by adding more panels, making it easy to create a lighting arrangement that fits your space perfectly. WinBat Diloo 1 Pro. The WinBat Diloo 1 Pro is a game-changing gadget for anyone who dreads cleaning windows. This robotic window cleaner is designed to make window washing effortless by automatically gliding across your windows, scrubbing, and drying them with ease. Equipped with advanced sensors and a powerful suction mechanism, the WinBat Diloo 1 Pro can safely clean both inside and outside windows, even those that are hard to reach. It's ideal for high-rise buildings or homes with large windows, where cleaning by hand can be dangerous and time-consuming. This robot cleaner not only saves you time but also delivers streak-free results that you typically expect from a professional service. Fantic E1 Pro. The Fantic E1 Pro is a portable jump starter and power bank all-in-one. If you've ever found yourself stranded with a dead car battery, you know how stressful it can be. The Fantic E1 Pro offers a quick solution by allowing you to jumpstart your car in minutes, without needing a second vehicle. It's compact, lightweight, and powerful enough to jumpstart a variety of vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even boats. Beyond jumpstarting, the E1 Pro also functions as a portable power bank, so you can charge your devices like smartphones, tablets, or laptops while on the go. What makes the Fantic E1 Pro stand out is its multifunctionality and portability. Magnus MKII. The Magnus MKII is an incredibly innovative portable camera slider that revolutionizes the way filmmakers capture smooth, dynamic shots. Whether you're shooting a vlog, a short film, or any kind of content that requires smooth camera movements, the Magnus MKII ensures that you can get cinematic, stable footage without needing a bulky, expensive tripod system. This slider works with your camera setup, allowing you to create professional-grade shots from various angles and perspectives. What sets the Magnus MKII apart is its smooth, quiet movement, making it perfect for indoor or outdoor shoots, where sound and stability are crucial. The slider can be easily controlled manually or through a smartphone app, allowing for precise control over the movement. Spacetop. Spacetop is a futuristic laptop that combines the best aspects of augmented reality with the practicality of a traditional computer. Unlike typical laptops, Spacetop uses a combination of physical keyboard and AR glasses to project a desktop environment in front of you, offering a hands-free, immersive experience. The concept is designed to give users an entirely new way to interact with their work, blending the digital and physical worlds in a seamless manner. With Spacetop, you're no longer limited by the confines of a traditional screen, allowing you to multitask and interact with your digital workspace in more dynamic ways. The experience is enhanced by the use of augmented reality, which helps to reduce eye strain while allowing you to interact with virtual environments in real time. Rolling Square Edge Pro. The Rolling Square Edge Pro is a sleek and durable portable charger that's built to withstand the challenges of everyday life. With its unique design, this charger is not only functional but also incredibly convenient. The Edge Pro offers a quick and reliable way to charge your devices on the go, with fast charging capabilities that ensure you never have to wait long for a power boost. The compact design makes it easy to slip into your bag or pocket, so you can carry it with you wherever you go, ensuring you're always prepared for low battery situations. Its rugged construction ensures that the Edge Pro is not only efficient but also built to last. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.